Improving our cognitive skills can make everyday life easier. This video explains how. At times, we have all forgotten about an important meeting. How can we make this less likely in our future? Don't fear. Here are a few tips that you might find useful. So as not to forget your day's tasks, make a note of them in a paper or electronic diary. Unless you have an excellent memory, it is hard to remember all of the week's meetings. You should also check that you have enough time to agree to another meeting. Take into account the time it takes to reach the location of the meeting. Finally, so as not to forget to attend the meeting on the day, use a reminder such as a post-it note placed on your fridge or your door. Or use the reminder functions on your phone. Thanks to your executive functions, you are able to organize your diary. They enable you to be flexible and to adjust your schedule if anything unexpected occurs. So when is your next meeting? Quick! Get your diary out.